Hey everybody, this is Blake Bench with First Colony Mortgage, doing my own camera work today. But I'm continuing my quest to create successful homeowners, and I wanted to talk today about bi-weekly mortgage payments. Have you heard of that? Sound weird? Well, after you buy a house, your loan's going to be recorded on the county records as a public record. And so you're going to start getting junk mail, and one of the things you might get is offers to set up bi-weekly mortgage payments. So what's it all about? What does it do? Well, bi-weekly payments can actually be pretty beneficial. Essentially what happens is you take your payment, your monthly payment, divide it in two, and then pay it every 2 weeks. Now, not twice a month, every 2 weeks. So there's 52 weeks in a year. You make 26 half payments, or essentially it's like making 13 whole payments. Let me give you an example. If you had a $200,000 mortgage and your rate was 4.75%, your monthly payment would be $10.43. So what they do is they divide your payment in two, so you would pay $5.21 every 2 weeks. And doing that has some awesome benefits. You're going to pay the loan off in about 25 years rather than 30. It's going to save you about $30,000 in interest. And so that over the life of the whole loan, the total interest that you pay is $144,000 rather than about $175,000. So it can be a good tool, but there are some cons. First, you're paying this every 2 weeks. So there's going to be 2 months during the year when you actually have 3 half payments. So if you're budget conscious, if things are tight every month, that might be a surprise for you to have 3 payments come up in 1 month. The other con is a lot of times to set these up, they want to charge you a setup fee, and then they want to charge you a fee every time they take out this $521. So yes, it's going to save you a lot of money over the long run, but you may pay some fees to get it. So that's what a bi-weekly payment structure is, has some great benefits. But what I want to teach you is how to do the same thing on your own and avoid the fees. So let's take the same $200,000 mortgage at 4.75%, and that payment's $10.43. Well, rather than dividing that in half and making 26 half payments, or essentially 13 monthly payments, why don't we just take that 13th payment and divide it into 12 and spread it out over the year? So rather than paying $10.43, we pay $11.30 per month. The extra money goes to principal, so that by the time the year is done, we've actually paid 13 payments. Doing that same thing, set it up on an automatic payment, so it's automatic and just comes out every month, just like they do with the bi-weekly. You'll also pay your loan off in 25 years, and you'll save about $30,000 in interest, for a total of $144,000 in interest over the life of the loan. So avoid the fees, do it on your own, and don't have to worry about that third payment creeping up on you twice a year. So that's how you can do bi-weekly payments on your own and accomplish the exact same thing. So when you get that mailer in the mail, you know, maybe you do it. It is beneficial to you, but there's a better way, and that's what I've just taught you. If you have any questions about this, give me a call at my office, 435-673-6006. Again, this is Blake Bench with First Colony Mortgage, and have a great day. Be a successful homeowner.